These are the tools you'll need to mow your lawn. Before you start mowing and trimming, give your lawn a once-over. Remove any stones, branches or other items you find on it. The best time to mow your lawn is late afternoon. Before you begin mowing, use a grass trimmer to trim the edges of your lawn bit by bit. Make sure you don't damage any bushes or other plants. A plant protector will help you keep the blade a safe distance from trees, flowers, etc. You can also use the grass trimmer to tidy up spots that are hard to reach with a lawnmower, or areas you can't get to at all. With lots of grass trimmers, you can tilt the shears 180 degrees, making it easier to work along the edges of flower beds. Alternatively, you can use a pair of grass shears to trim your lawn precisely. It'll be easier on your back if you use a telescopic handle. Now it's time to start your lawnmower. Fold the bar down backwards, release the locking key and adjust the handrail to the correct height. Then attach the grass box and shut the flap. Then adjust the mowing height. This will depend on the type of grass, where you live and the current weather. If it is very hot and dry, leave the grass a little on the long side to protect it from heat damage. Position the cord so that the lawnmower can easily reach the entire lawn. Use a cable reel or extension if needed. Now start mowing your grass in parallel lines, one at a time. Begin on one side of the lawn. Once you reach the ends, turn around. Don't go edge to edge on the way back. Instead, let the lines overlap up to the wheel. Want to use the leftover grass clippings to fertilize your lawn? Then it's best to use the Mulch kit, which scatters the clippings across the lawn as you go. Alternatively, you can simply remove the grass box and let the clippings fall directly on the earth. Clean your lawnmower and grass trimmer before putting them away. Remember to unplug any cables or remove any batteries first. Use a brush to remove any stubborn dirt and grass clippings. That's it. Your devices are now ready for action the next time you need them.